Hey, I'm Kita of Girl Carnivore, and we're here today with Prime Fresh, and we are making some party time sliders. So this is a super easy recipe because they need to be fast and ready and on the go. So you want to run into Kroger's and grab these from the refrigerator section near the bacon and everything. But I love them, they're fast and go, and you can see the freshness in the package. It's totally awesome. So let's make some sliders. You want to grab a package of Hawaiian rolls because these have to be, for everybody, quick and easy. You're gonna just take your knife and you're gonna slice them in half. I've mixed some mustard and mayo in this little cup for us, and so we're gonna just put that all over the bottom here. And if you have some fresh herbs at home, it's a great addition to really make this pop. All right, so once you get that all evenly layered up there, you're gonna grab some fresh romaine or green leaf lettuce. If you have iceberg on hand, that's fine too, but I really like to pump up the, crispiness and health with some green leafy lettuce. And you're just gonna sprinkle that. Lettuce helps build a moisture barrier, so it keeps things drier longer. All right, you're gonna grab your Prime Fresh deli meat. Now here is a fun trick that I love to use. So I fold my deli meat up so I know that every bite is gonna be loaded with tons of meat. We're using the honey ham today, but this can be done with smoked turkey. It can even be done with the roast beef if you want, but grab the flavor you like and go with it. Got some slices of American cheese, once again, whatever you've got on hand. I love this with Havarti, it's awesome. All right, we're gonna top that with a little bit of really thinly sliced red onion. Make sure you slice your onions super thin, especially if you're serving them raw like this. It can be one of those things that people love or they hate. All right, at this point, you can put these in the oven and toast them if you wanted to. Obviously tonight we're live with Kroger, so we're gonna just top those pops back on, and we're gonna start slicing these up and serving them. And there we have it. Super easy Prime Fresh sliders.